Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Smartsheet mobile app for field updates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install the Smartsheet mobile app for field updates, start by accessing the App Store on your mobile device. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, open the App Store. For Android devices, locate and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Smartsheet and press enter or tap search. Look for the official Smartsheet app in the search results. Make sure it's developed by Smartsheet Inc. to ensure you have the correct application. Once you find the app, tap the Get button on iOS or the Install button on Android. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. After installation, locate the Smartsheet icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to launch the app for the first time. You will be prompted to sign in. Enter your Smartsheet account credentials. If you don't have an account, look for the option to create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up process. Once signed in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the app interface. Explore the features available for field updates. You can now use the Smartsheet mobile app to manage and update your projects from anywhere. For optimal performance, ensure your app is updated regularly through your respective app store. This will provide you with the latest features and improvements. Now you are ready to use Smartsheet for field updates effectively. Enjoy seamless project management at your fingertips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.